Yeah, good morning, everyone. People present in this hall and people who are online. I'm Gurudat. Let us start this inaugural session. For that, I will first invite Professor Sanjeev from Department of Physics and Electronics, St. Xavier's College, Ahmedabad, to introduce you to the department, what kind of courses they offer, what kind of activities they organize, and welcome you all. Professor.
First of all, thank you, Gurudat, and very good morning to everybody present here and online. I think few delegates and invited speaker also joined. So I also give my thanks to invited speaker because their presence is very important. As Dr. Dutt already told, I'm going to give you some brief idea about department, that's the Department of Physics and Electronics, St. Xavier College, Ahmedabad. I'm Dr. Sanjeev Gupta, is one of the faculty member of the Department of Physics and Electronics, St. Xavier College, Ahmedabad, welcoming one and all participant in this 2 days workshop on molecular dynamics. And Dr. Iyer, who is the convener of the workshop, has given a role to tell you about the department. So our department have 15 professors and they are working in a very vast area of research, and they have very large, like more than 30-year research, like 30 of research experience and plus teaching experience. The department offer UG, PG program in physics and UG program for electronics also. Department Physics and Electronics known for its academic excellence and offering a research opportunity to students in the second year of UG program and final year of PG program. And we have a theoretical physics laboratory, atmospheric science and thin film lab with some supercomputing facility also to meet the need of lover of physics. The department regularly offers seminar and talks in astronomy, condensed matter physics, theoretical physics, and environmental physics under the title Physics for Tomorrow. Once again, I'm thankful to all the expert professor and organization team. And also I wish you all the best for 2 days. And I also wish you all the best for the participant for energetic and learning during 2 days workshop. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Yeah, thank you, Professor Sanjeev. And I hope we are audible to the people online. Thanks. All right. So, Principal Father Lancy, Head of the Department of Physics and Electronics, Professor Iyer, the distinguished instructors, eminent speakers, the participants, colleagues and friends. Thank you for being here, and I welcome you all on the behalf of the Department of Physics, St. Xavier's College, and TAS, Ahmedabad. I'll first start thanking some of the people who have helped to organize this workshop directly or indirectly. Father Lancy, who agreed to the proposal and provided the necessary support, financial, moral, and guidance, and so on. Professor Iyer for, again, accepting the idea and going through with this and providing all sorts of support and the discussions required to organize this workshop. The people from the organizing team, Heath, Tejas, Krishna, who is not here for the festival today. Without them, lots of things would have not been possible. And nonetheless, the instructor and speaker who have taken time from their busy schedule to design the sessions for the young students and researchers. And of course, participants for whom the whole show is for. So thank you once again. I take this opportunity first to introduce the CAS, which stands for Shama Ahmedabad Academy of Sciences. We founded this organization in 2021, so this is a new organization. It's a non-for-profit organization. The objective of this organization is to provide high-quality education and mentorship in the subjects like math, physics, chemistry, biology, data science, and Python. So we cater all the students who are preparing for various government, non-government positions, including the PhD programs. In addition, we also organize the programs and workshops such as this, the hands-on workshop on molecular dynamics. In past, we organized another school, summer school in theoretical physics, in association with PDPU. And we also organized a course on 5-day workshop on hands-on data science. Apart from this, we organize other activities to popularize the science, for example, poster fair, and conducting various quizzes and competitions, public lectures, and so on. One of the main objectives of the academy is to help the people, the students coming from the socially and economically backward sections. So we help them by providing them fee concessions and other kind of mentorship without any charges. We have been currently teaching the students from 6th to 8th standard, which come from weaker economic background, and we provide them the education and other necessary support at no cost. So I invite you to visit our website to know more what we are doing and how to be. Next, I would like to introduce this workshop to you. You already have gone through the website and you know the objective of the workshop. The objective is to provide you the training on classical molecular dynamics via the lectures and the hands-on session. Molecular dynamics, we all understand, is an indispensable tool if you want to study the systems at the atomistic level. And those systems can be found in various branches of science and engineering, ranging from physics, chemistry, biology, material science, and so on. And they have become increasingly popular because of the availability of the supercomputers and the development of various high-performing computing algorithms. So, as I said, that we can find their application in various branches. Some of the application we will go through these sessions. The experts will tell us how they apply the molecular dynamics to their area of research. So the two main tools we will be discussing here, the instructor and speaker will be discussing here, are the LAMPS and the GROMACS. But then there are other tools which you can also work out later once you get to know how it works. The topics covered, we all know. We will be discussing the basics of molecular dynamics, which will be done by Professor Michael Murillo. Then we will be taking a problem from chemistry, and we will see how those techniques could be applied to the chemical system. That session will be delivered by Dr. Sonanki Keshri, I'm sorry for that. And then Dr. Maya will discuss how we can apply the molecular dynamics to study the plasma surface interactions. And finally, Dr. Raghavan from IIT Gandhinagar, he will discuss how to simulate the structure and property of materials at nanoscales using classical molecular dynamics. So there will be 4 sessions by 4 speakers, 4 instructors. And in addition to that, there will be 1 public lecture also by Professor Balchandra Rao Tembe. That will happen today at 6:30 p.m. You might have received the invitation for that. So in the end, I hope you will enjoy the sessions, and these sessions will become useful for you for your ongoing research or any other research which you take in the future. I thank you very much again for being here. Thank you very much.